It is a joy and a privilege and an honor to be here today to celebrate the wedding of Tristan and Jessica. It's important to understand from a principle standpoint that marriage is a gift from God. The husband and the wife truly become one flesh and are inseparable. We see Jesus talk about it in Matthew chapter 19. And we see the phrase there, hold fast. That word hold fast, that phrase hold fast, it means to be joined together with no separation. It means to be unified. The husband and the wife truly become one flesh and are inseparable. And marriage matters. Marriage helps us better understand grace, helps us better understand mercy, helps us to better understand unconditional love. And it is in this that we find the beauty of marriage.